There are several ways to make money with cryptocurrencies, but it is important to remember that they are highly volatile and can involve a high level of risk. Here are some ways to potentially make money with cryptocurrencies. Trading, buy low and sell high. This is the most common method of making money with cryptocurrencies. Traders look for price fluctuations in the market and aim to make a profit by buying at a low price and selling at a high price. Long-term investment. Invest in a cryptocurrency that you believe in for the long term. This requires a lot of research and due diligence, but it can be a good way to potentially make money if the cryptocurrency becomes more valuable over time. Mining. If you have the technical knowledge and equipment, you can mine cryptocurrencies by validating transactions on the blockchain network. However, this requires significant investment in hardware and energy costs. Staking. Staking is similar to mining, but instead of validating transactions, you hold your cryptocurrency in a wallet and earn rewards for participating in the network. ICO investing. Investing in initial coin offerings, ICOs, can be risky but potentially lucrative if you can identify promising projects. ICOs involve buying tokens at a discounted rate before they are listed on an exchange. It is important to remember that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and can involve significant risks. It is important to do your own research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose.